So as you can see right here, that's the engine flashing light. Yeah, it's a code P1326 if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna go ahead and run it, and you guys are gonna, it's not gonna make a big noise because it won't go past the 2 right here. It won't go past the 2 RPM. So okay, I'm gonna try to push the gas, the gas pedal, and see, but it's not, it doesn't look like. All right, let's see. It doesn't pass it. So once you going, it doesn't look like a problem, right? Right now it doesn't look like a problem. Once you stop and then you accelerate, it hesitates to gain speed. Okay, as you can see, you see the engine flashing light. I'm gonna push the gas, and you're gonna see this. It doesn't pass the number 2. Yeah, the 200 RPM. You see, I got all the gas pedal pushed, and the same thing happened on the once you drive it. Or the stop light or the stop sign, it won't pass the 2 RPM. Yeah. All right. You're gonna see, I'm gonna erase this engine light, and I'm gonna erase the code, and that's gonna pass the number 2. But once you're driving, it's gonna come back. You're gonna see this. Okay, I have my scanner right here. I'm gonna just turn it on and see what the code says. It says P1326. Alright, I'm gonna delete it now, and the flashing light is gonna go. Erase. Let's see. Erase. Done. It's on red. Now it's gonna be on yellow. Let's read it one more time and let's see what it says. All right, it's on yellow now. And okay, I'm gonna turn on the car, and we're gonna see the engine light is not flashing anymore. It's just there. We're gonna see. All right. Okay, as you can see, the engine light flashing is gone. And now I'm gonna push the gas pedal. You can see now. And once the light comes back, the flashing checking engine light comes back, it's not gonna do this again. It's gonna just go, it's like on the 200 RPM. Yeah, but I erased it, but the code, I mean, it's on, as you can see, it's on yellow. Yeah, it's on yellow. It's not erased all the way, and it's not fixed all the way. It's just like this. But it's gonna come back once I go driving on the street. Once I push the gas pedal, when I'm driving, it's gonna come back and start doing the same thing. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'm gonna need a new engine. Yeah, I think I got a recall on this one. Yeah, I'm gonna take it to Hyundai dealer and see what they say. I got an appointment in a couple days and see what they say about this. If they wanna fix it for free, or I'm gonna have to sell it for maybe $2K, or buy a new engine for like $2,000 and plus $1,000 labor, maybe 3,000 or 3,500.